Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel today for another video. Today I'm going to be doing the official flip through for this junk journal that I created out of a Monopoly game board. That's right. The book cover is made out of a Monopoly game board. And I made this journal live. If you have not been keeping up with my channel, Monday through Saturday of this week I went live and I created this journal. It took me I hung out for about an hour and a half each day, and I just did step by step from start to finish, made this junk journal, mistakes and all. You can't edit on live videos, so you know you're there for the right and the wrong of this journal. This was a lot of fun to do. I did do it in the style of my last junk journal. However, the covers are much thicker. So if you guys have not tried making a junk journal from a game board, you really should. So this is the last journal that I made. And as you can see, or I don't know if you can see, this junk journal is about twice as thick. And this is just a chipboard covered in cardstock. And it's it makes a good sturdy book. It's not flimsy or anything. But this journal right here is just a higher quality. And I'm just so happy that I watched that video from April on Pink Oddbird as she made a junk journal from a game board. Also, I just kind of adapted it to blending the tutorial from Zoe Tofield and her book cover tutorials. I kind of blended those two, and like I said, the idea of doing the game board was from Pink Oddbird. And I wanted to experiment on this junk journal because the last junk journals I made like this. So the spine was sewed onto fabric, and then this is paper. But I don't know, I'm not really into this look here of the paper. So what I wanted to do was experiment and see if the spine is fabric, why can't I sew the fabric on the signatures into the spine and also make it a big enough piece so that it covers the whole cover. And so that's what I've done with this journal here. And I've made some mistakes. Well, not some mistakes, I should say. I know how I can improve on the next journal. So hopefully you can join me on Monday at 7 o'clock in the morning. That's Pacific Standard Time. I'll be going live again on this channel. So if you want to join me for how I make the next cover and how I make little adjustments, I'm going to be doing that on Monday. And I did do also these little collages that I like to make. I also made those live. And if you guys want to check out my store, I have the mystery boxes that contain the flowers, so that way you can make your own collages. And also I wanted to say before I got too far into the book that I did use the French Classifieds journal pages and ephemera that are in my store. It's my newest kit. It does have a French theme to it. Obviously by the name you can figure that out. So it was a lot of fun to make the journal pages and the coordinating ephemera. Sorry, oh my gosh. English is actually my second language and sometimes it comes out. Okay, so this is a journal card that comes with the kit. And I had a lot of fun designing this kit, and I also had a lot of fun going live with you guys. And like I said, I'll be back on Monday, and I do hope you join me for more fun. We'll get started on a Christmas journal this time, and we can just have some fun and scrapbook together for a couple hours every day. And you can ask questions about my process or just hang out with me and tell me a joke or something. And this is actually a really cute vintage postcard. I didn't actually plan it, but somehow I pulled this out, and it's just like the right theme and everything. It's actually the bed chamber inside of Versailles. I'm pretty sure that was Louis XVI's room. That's pretty cool because it's so on theme, you know? That's what I wanted to go for. And then this picture goes in this little envelope in here. I just didn't put it in there yet. And then here's another collage I made and another piece of ephemera from the kit. The kit was really a lot of fun to work with, and I also showed how I cut out the ephemera with my scan and cut. So if you are interested in that, I do have that video. It's, I believe, part 3 that has the scan and cut. Some more ephemera from the kit. And then, like I said, I have the mystery boxes with these vintage die cut elements in there as well. And I'm actually going to be giving away this junk journal as soon as I hit 5,000 subscribers. I'll probably have other junk journals I'll be giving away. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And hit that thumbs like button if you're going to be here on Monday. Let me know. I wanna see how many people are gonna be up on Monday morning to come hang out with me. And here we go. We're gonna go on to the second signature. And this journal was actually a lot of fun to make. It wasn't very hard, but you know, on live, you know, mistakes are made and I can't edit it and pretend that I didn't make those mistakes. Mistakes are made and you know, we just move on. And I think that's how we all work, you know. You can't cry over spilt milk. Some things don't work out and you just live and learn and you go on and you move on to the next journal. And here's another envelope that's also from the kit, from the French Classifieds. And I just made a little tuck spot here. So I did a lot of sewing on this journal. And this piece of envelope has an ephemera. And I actually tried to make this journal so that you could actually write in, which is really funny because I never think about the functionality of journals. I kind of just, you know, stick stuff down on pages and make it pretty in my eyes. But this journal is actually meant so that you can write on it. So there's plenty of space, and I really like this guest check. Really cute. I had a lot of fun taking everybody's suggestions when I went live. They would say, oh, you know, pick that butterfly, and I'd be like, okay, let's do the butterfly right now. Really, really fun to hang out with everybody. And like I said, I do hope you join me on Monday. I'll be going live 7 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, and we will be working on a Christmas journal. So I do hope you join me then. And before I went, we're finishing up here this flip through. Before I left, I did want to share with you guys, I'm going to be having a new mystery box in my store. It's going to be Christmas die cuts. And I'll be having these for sale tomorrow, Monday. They will be up for sale in my store, and you can purchase them so that way you can craft along with me on my Christmas journal. And I just want to thank you guys so much for joining me today for this flip through video, and thank everybody especially who joined me during the week and talked to me. So much fun to hang out with you guys. Hope to see you guys on Monday. Peace out, you guys. I'll be back with another flip through video next week. Bye-bye.
Have your little tongue out, boo-boo? Boo-boo, you're just gonna stick your little tongue out like that? You're just gonna stick your tongue out? You're just gonna be